Biological classification. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Prokaryotes, eubacteria, that is true bacteria, cyanobacteria, that is blue-green algae, mycoplasma, rickettsia, chlamydia, actinomycetes, that is ray fungi, archaebacteria, that is false bacteria, coccus, Diplococcus pneumoniae, Bacillus E. coli, Bacillus anthracis. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Spirillum, Spirillum volutens, Spirochete, Treponema. Vibrium, Vibrio cholerae. Peritrichus, E. coli, Salmonella typhi. Gram positive, CLUBS. Clubs, Clostridium, Corynebacterium, Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, Bacillus, Streptococcus, Staphylococcus. Gram negative, E. coli, Salmonella, Vibrio, Agrobacterium, Acetobacter, Azotobacter, Rhizobium. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Obligate, that is strict aerobic bacteria, Bacillus subtilis, Azotobacter, Acetobacter aceti. Facultative anaerobic bacteria, Pseudomonas, Halophiles. Obligate, that is strict anaerobic bacteria, Clostridium botulinum. Facultative aerobic bacteria, Chlorobium rhodopseudomonas. Purple sulfur bacteria, Thiospirillum chromaceum. Green sulfur bacteria, Chlorobium thiothrix. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Purple non-sulfur bacteria, Rhodospirillum rhodopseudomonas. Green non-sulfur bacteria, Chloronema chloroflexus. Hydrogen bacteria, Hydrogenomonas hydrogenococcus. Nitrifying bacteria, Nitrosomonas nitrococcus, Nitrobacter nitrocystis. Iron bacteria, Ferrobacillus leptothrix. Sulfur bacteria, Thiobacillus thioxidans, Beggiatoa. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Saprotrophic bacteria, Bacillus vulgaris, Clostridium botulinum, Pseudomonas staphylococcus. Parasitic bacteria, Mycobacterium leprae, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Symbiotic bacteria, Rhizobium, Frankia, Xanthomonas. Free living aerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria, Azotobacter, Bezurinchia, Klebsiella. Anaerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria, Clostridium pasterianum. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Endospores, Bacillus, Clostridium. Transformation, Diplococcus pneumoniae or Streptococcus pneumoniae or Pneumococcus pneumoniae and mice. Conjugation, E. coli, transduction, bacteriophage and Salmonella typhimurium. Generalized transduction, T4 phase. Specialized or restricted transduction, lambda phase. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Methanogens, Methanococcus, Methanobacterium, Methanomicrobium. Halophiles, Halococcus, Halobacterium. Thermoacidophiles, Thermoplasma, Thermoproteus, Sulfobolus. Red Sea, caused by Trichodesmium erythraeum. Symbiotic cyanobacteria, Anabaena azole in azolla plant, Anabaena cycadae in cycas plant. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples. Filamentous cyanobacteria, Nostoc Anabaena oscillatoria. unicellular cyanobacteria, spirulina, akinete formation, nostoc, fragmentation, oscillatoria, non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria in rice field, Tolipothrix olocera, smallest prokaryote, Mycoplasma gallisepticum 0.3 to 0.5 micrometer. Kingdom Monera. Terms, examples: most common form of bacteria, Bacillus. Facultative anaerobes, halophiles, thermoacidophiles, Mycoplasma. Obligate anaerobes, methanogens. Colonial cyanobacteria, Nostoc microcystis. Single cell protein, spirulina. Actinomycetes, that is Mycobacteria, Streptomyces, Mycobacterium, Begiotoa, Nocardia, Frankia. Kingdom Protista. Terms, examples: Kingdom Protista, chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, protozoans. Photosynthetic protist, chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids. Consumer decomposer protist, slime molds. Acellular slime molds, cellular slime molds. Protozoan protist, amoeboid protozoans, flagellated protozoans, ciliated protozoans, sporozoans. Kingdom Protista. Terms, examples: chrysophytes, diatoms, desmids. Pinnate diatoms having bilateral symmetry, navicula. Centric diatoms having radial symmetry, Melocera. Diatoms, Triceratium, Navicula, Melocera, Cimbella, Pinnularia. Mesokaryotic cells, that is mesokaryon, dinoflagellates. Zygotic meiosis in dinoflagellates, Serratium, Gymnodinium. Gametic meiosis in dinoflagellates, Noctiluca. Kingdom Protista. Terms, examples: Redotide, Gymnodinium, Goniolax. Bioluminescence, Noctiluca, Pyrodinium, Pyrocystis. Saxitoxin, Goniolax catenella. Dinoflagellates, Goniolax, Gymnodinium, Noctiluca, Pyrodinium, Pyrocystis, Serratium. Euglenoid, genus Euglena, Paranema, Rhabdomonas. Mixotrophic nutrition, Euglena viridis. Kingdom Protista. Terms, examples: holozoic euglenoid, Paranema. Saprobic euglenoid, Rhabdomonas. Producer decomposer protist, Euglena. Plant animal protist, Euglena. Acellular slime molds or plasmodial slime molds, Physerum, Physerella, Fuligo. Cellular slime molds or communal slime molds, Dictyostelium, Polyspondylium. Kingdom Protista. Terms, examples: amoeboid protozoans, that is Sarcodinae, amoeba, entamoeba, Pilomixa. Flagellated protozoans, Trypanosoma, Leishmania. Ciliated protozoans, Paramecium, Verticilla, Opellina. Sporozoans, Plasmodium, that is malarial parasite, Monocystis. Kingdom Fungi. Terms, examples: unicellular fungi, Syncytium yeast. Cellulosic cell wall, Phytophthora, Pythium, Albugo, and other Oomycetes. Unicellular multinucleate aseptate cenocytic hypha, class Phycomycetes, that is Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Multicellular uninucleate septate hypha, class Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Kingdom Fungi. Terms, Examples: multicellular, uninucleate, monokaryotic, haploid, primary hypha, class Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Multicellular, binucleate, dikaryotic, N plus N, secondary hypha, class Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Simple central pore septum, Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Dolipore septum, Basidiomycetes. Aquatic fungi, class Oomycetes. Terrestrial fungi, Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes. Kingdom fungi. Terms, examples: holocarpic fungi, yeast; budding yeast, that is Saccharomyces; zoospores, Syncytium uniflagellate; Saprolegnia and Pythium biflagellate; Phytophthora, etc. Sporangiospores, Rhizopus nucor; Chlamydospore, Rhizopus; Oidea, Rhizopus; Conidia, Aspergillus; Penicillium. Kingdom fungi. Terms, examples: binary fission, yeast; homothallic fungi, Chaetomium, Albugocandida, Rhizopus sexualis; heterothallic fungi, species of Mucor Rhizopus like Mucor mucido, Rhizopus stolonifer, etc. Puccinia, Penicillium, Neurospora, Aspergillus and most of other fungi. Planogametic copulation, Syncytium, isogamy, Allomyces, anisogamy. Kingdom fungi. Terms, examples: gametangial contact, Pythium, Albugo, members of Oomycetes and Ascomycetes; gametangial conjugation, Mucor, Rhizopus, members of Zygomycetes; spermatization, Puccinia, members of Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes; somatogamy, Penicillium, agaricus, members of Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Kingdom fungi. Terms, examples: class Oomycetes, Phytophthora infestans; Albugocandida, also called as Cystopus candidus; Pythium dibarianum; Sclerospora graminicola; Peronospora parasitica; Saprolegnia; Syncytium. Class Zygomycetes, Rhizopus stoloniferus, Rhizopus nigricans, Mucor mucido, Mucor ramanianus. Species of Mucor and Rhizopus: Pilobolus, Absidia. Kingdom fungi. Terms, examples: class Ascomycetes, Morchella species, that is morels; tuber estivum, that is truffles; claviceps; Neurospora, Ericife; Penicillium; Aspergillus; yeast; Gibberella; Peziza; Escobolus; Pyronema. Class Basidiomycetes, Ostilago, that is smut fungi; Puccinia, that is rust fungi; agaricus, that is mushroom; amanita, that is toadstools; psilocybe; armillaria; puffballs, that is lycoperdon; bracket or shelf fungi, that is ganoderma; birds nest fungi. Kingdom fungi. Terms, examples: class Deuteromycetes, Helminthosporium; Colitotrichum; Alternaria; Cercospora; Fusarium; Trichophyton; Trichoderma. Smallest fungi: yeast; non-mycelial fungi: yeast, Syncytium; Basidiomycetes without fruiting body, that is Basidiocarp and Dolipore septum; Ostilago, that is smut fungi; Puccinia, that is rust fungi. Ascomycetes without fruiting body and septum: yeast. that is Saccharomyces, mycorrhiza. Terms, examples: Ectomycorrhiza, fungi, Basidiomycetes like Amanita, Boletus, Clavatia, and few Ascomycetes. Plants, Pinus, Gymnosperm, Eucalyptus and Monotrapa, Angiosperm. Endomycorrhiza, that is worm, fungi, glomus, zygomycetes, and some basidiomycetes. Plants, orchids and coffee, angiosperm. Fungicides, Bordeaux mixture, Burgundy mixture, that is soda Bordeaux, chestnut mixture. Terms, examples: kingdom Plantae, green, red and brown algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Insectivorous plants, bladderwort, Venus flytrap, pitcher plants, sundews plants. Parasite plant, Cuscuta. Kingdom Animalia, all the animals except protozoa of two kingdoms classification. Lichen. Terms, examples: Escolichen, that is Ascomycetes as fungal partner. Graphis, Cladonia, Parmelia, Usnea. Basidiolichens, that is Basidiomycetes as fungal partner. Corella, Cora. Algal partner is mostly blue-green algae. Phycobiont, that is algal partner in lichens. Chlorophyceae, for example, Chlorella, Triboxia, most common unicellular green alga in lichens. Protococcus, Parmela, etc. Cyanobacteria, that is blue-green algae. For example, Nostoc, Chlorococcus, Cytonema. Lichen. Terms, examples: crustose lichens, Graphis, Lecanora, Rhizocarpon, Dermatocarpon, Hematoma. Foliose lichens, Parmelia peltigera. Fructicose lichens, Cladonia, Usnea, Bryonia, Ivernia, Ramelina. Note: Cladonia rangifera, reindeer moss, Citraria islandica, Iceland moss, Lecanora esculenta, bread of heaven, Parmelia rock flower, Dermatocarpon miniatum, stone mushroom, Usnea old man's beard. Virus. Terms, examples: first discovered virus, TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus. Helical elongated virus, tobacco mosaic virus. Cubical rhombic virus, poliomyelitis. Biennial virus, bacteriophage. Enveloped virus, HIV, herpes virus, vaccinia virus. Non-enveloped virus, reovirus, poliovirus, adenovirus, rhinovirus. Virus. Terms, examples: double-stranded DNA, that is dsDNA virus. Pox virus, cauliflower mosaic virus, circular DNA. Herpes virus, adenovirus, T2 and T4 bacteriophages. Hepatitis B virus, lambda phage. Single-stranded DNA, that is ssDNA virus. Polyphase 5x174, M13 phage, Gemini virus. Double-stranded RNA, that is ssRNA virus. Reovirus, wound tumor virus, rice doff virus. Virus. Terms, examples: single-stranded RNA, that is ssRNA virus, TMV, poliovirus, influenza virus, foot and mouth disease virus, retrovirus like HIV, QB bacteriophage, mumps virus. Lytic cycle, T4 bacteriophage. Lysogenic cycle, lambda phase in E. coli, pinocytic reproduction, HIV, TMV, hepatitis B. Virus terms examples: viroids, PSPD, potato spindle tuber disease, chrysanthemum stunt, citrus exocotis; prions, Kuru disease, that is laughing death disease in human; BSE, that is bovine spongiform encephalopathy or mad cow disease; scrappy disease in sheep; Creutzfeldt Jakob disease; fatal familial insomnia.